Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to find your deleted posts and stories on Instagram. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. And let's get started. The first thing, just open the Instagram application and enter to your profile. And after that, just click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on your activity. And after clicking on your activity, just scroll down and click on recently deleted. And in this section, as you can see, in the first one, where you see the grid on the top, this is your deleted post. This is a deleted post. And for the deleted stories, just move to the other tab. And as you can see, this is your deleted stories. I know it's the same picture because I posted the same picture, but they are different stories. And as you can see, the post and the stories, and the number that you see here is the number of days, the days that still remain before deleting the posts and the stories permanently. So I still have 26 days to restore this deleted posts, and for the stories I still have 28 days for the first one and 26 days for the second one. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.